Sewer pipes need be checked for A. Minimum flow, B. Maximum flow, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is both A and B. If D.O. concentration falls down to 0 in any natural drainage, it indicates the zone of A. Degradation, B. Active decomposition, C. Recovery, D. Cleaner water. The correct answer is active decomposition. The ratio of design discharge to the surface area of a sedimentation tank is called A. Surface loading, B. Overflow rate, C. Overflow velocity, D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. The value of Chezys constant is used in A. Chezys formula, B. Hazins formula, C. Coutts, D. Manning's formula. The correct answer is Coutts. In the activated sludge process, A. Aeration is continued till stability, B. Aeration is done with an admixture of previously aerated sludge, C. Sludge is activated by constant stirring, D. Water is removed by centrifugal action. The correct answer is aeration is done with an admixture of previously aerated sludge. The minimum diameter of a sewer is kept A. 10 cm, B. 15 cm, C. 20 cm, D. 25 cm. The correct answer is 15 cm. The minimum diameter of sewer to be adopted is A. 10 cm, B. 12.5 cm, C. 15 cm, D. 25 cm. The correct answer is 15 cm. To test chemical oxygen demand, C.O.D. of sewage organic matter is oxidized by pottassium dichromate in the presence of A. hydrochloric acid, B. sulfuric acid, C. nitric acid, D. citric acid. The correct answer is sulfuric acid. The discharge per unit plan area of a sedimentation tank is generally called A. Overflow rate, B. Surface loading, C. Overflow velocity, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. D is the diameter of a circular sewer and is the side of a square section sewer. If both are hydraulically equivalent, the relationship which holds good is A. D834B83, B. D384B38, C. D234B23, D. D324B32. The correct answer is D834B83. For detecting the nitrites in the sewage, the matching color may be developed by adding A. potassium permanganate, B. sulfuric acid and naphthamine, C. phenol, D. sulfuric acid potassium hydroxide, D. None of these. The correct answer is sulfuric acid and naphthamine. The suitable cross-section of sewers to carry combined flow is A. circular, B. egg-shaped, C. rectangular, D. horseshoe-shaped. The correct answer is egg-shaped. Hazins formula is used for the settlement velocity of the particles of diameter A. less than 0.01 mm, B. less than 0.05 mm, C. less than 0.1 mm, D. greater than 0.1 mm. The correct answer is greater than 0.1 mm. If the diameter of a sewer is 100 mm, the gradient required for generating self-cleansing velocity is A. 1 in 60, B. 1 in 100, C. 1 in 120, D. None of these. The correct answer is 1 in 60. Stoneware pipes are A. highly resistant to sulphide corrosion, B. highly impervious, C. hydraulically efficient because of their smooth interior surface, D. Specially suited to pressure pipes. The correct answer is specially suited to pressure pipes. Skimming tanks are A. Used to remove the grease and oil. B. Those from which sludge is skimmed out. C. Tanks provided with self-cleansing screens. D. Improved version of grit chambers. The correct answer is used to remove the grease and oil. With self-cleansing velocity in sewers. A. Silting occurs at bottom. B. Scarring occurs at bottom. C. Both silting and scarring occur at bottom. D. Neither silting nor scarring occurs at bottom. The correct answer is neither silting nor scarring occurs at bottom. Aerobic activity is maximum. A. In freshly produced sewage. B. At sewer pipes. C. In sewer treatment plants. D. None of these. The correct answer is in freshly produced sewage. In sewers designed with self-cleansing velocity. A. The bottom is silted. B. The bottom is scarred. C. Both silting and scarring occur at the bottom. D. Neither silting nor scarring occurs at the bottom. The correct answer is neither silting nor scarring occurs at the bottom. Which one of the following resists hydrogen sulphide corrosion? A. RCC. B. Glazed stone wares. C. Asbestos cement. D. Glazed ware. The correct answer is glazed ware. Drop manholes are the manholes. A. Without entry ladders. B. Without manhole covers. C. With depths more than 3.5 m. D. Having drains at different levels. The correct answer is having drains at different levels. The laying of sewers is done with A. Magnetic compass. B. Theodolite. C. Level. D. Clinometer. The correct answer is level. The rational formula for peak drainage discharge was evolved by A. Frehling. B. Lloyd David. C. Keitling. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. The sewage treatment in septic tanks is due to A. Anaerobic decomposition. B. Aerobic decomposition. C. Parasitic decomposition. D. None of these. The correct answer is anaerobic decomposition. In 1000 kilograms of sewage the total solids approximate A. 0.5 to 1.0 kilograms. B. 1 kilogram to 2.0 kilograms. C. 5 kilograms to 7.5 kilograms. D. 7.5 kilograms to 10 kilograms. The correct answer is 0.5 to 1.0 kilograms. Sewer manholes are generally provided at A. The change of gradient. B. The change of direction. C. The junctions of sewers. D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. The sewers A. must be of adequate size to avoid overflow. B. must flow under gravity to full. C. must be laid at least 2 to 3 m deep to collect water from the basements. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. If the length of overland flow from the critical point to the mouth of drain is 13.58 km and difference in level between the critical point and drain mouth is 10 m, the inlet time is A. 2 hours. B. 4 hours. C. 6 hours. D. 8 hours. The correct answer is 8 hours. Oxidation process results in the formation of A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrates. C. Sulfates. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Dry weather flow is A. Average daily rate of flow. B. Average monthly rate of flow. C. Average annual rate of flow. D. Water supply allowance per capita. The correct answer is water supply allowance per capita. As compared to fresh river water, sea water contains oxygen. A 10 less, B 20 less, C 10 more, D 20 more. The correct answer is 20 less. The settlement velocity of a solid diameter 0.5 mm, specific gravity 1.75 in water having temperature 10 C is A 213.5 centimeters sec, B 313.5 centimeters sec, C 413.5 centimeters sec, D 500 centimeters sec. The correct answer is 313.5 centimeters sec. If W is the unit weight of water, R the hydraulic mean depth of the sewer, and S the bed slope of the sewer, then the tractive force exerted by flowing water is A W R S, B W R 12 S, C W R S, D W R 23 S. The correct answer is W R S. In detritus tanks, A flow velocity is kept 0.09 m sec. B detention period is kept 3 to 4 minutes. C organic and inorganic materials are separated. D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. In areas where rainy season is limited to a few months, the type of sewerage system recommended is A combined system, B partially separate system, C separate system, D none of these. The correct answer is separate system. RD or at extra space is left in sewer pipes at maximum discharge for A low estimates of the average and maximum flows, B large-scale infiltration of storm water, C unexpected increase in population, D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. If N is the rugosity coefficient, R is the hydraulic depth, S is the bed slope of sewer, the velocity of flow in m sec may be obtained by the formula evolved by A Chezys, B Manning, C Bazin, D Kutter. The correct answer is Manning. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Anaerobic bacteria flourish in the absence of oxygen. B. Aerobic bacteria flourish in the presence of oxygen. C. Facultative bacteria flourish with or without oxygen. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Antisyphonage pipe is fitted. A. At the end of septic tanks. B. On manholes. C. With a WZ trap. D. At the beginning of sewer line. The correct answer is with a WZ trap. For drains up to 15 cumecs, the depth D and width B are related by A. D 0.2b, B D 0.5b, C B 0.2d, D B 0.5d. The correct answer is D 0.5b.